Now, so good evening children. So in the last class we have discussed about 11, almost 11 sums. Now we go with the next few sums. The time period of a vibrating body is 0.2 seconds. That means time period is 0.2 seconds. The waves produced by the body moves with the speed of 340 meters per second. They have given speed, that is v is equals to 340 meters per second. Find the wavelength of the wave. We have to find the wave. That is, which one we have to take again? Same formula. V is equals to lambda by T as they have given time. So as we have to find out the lambda, we need to take here V by T. V into T. So what is V here? 340 into time is 0.2 seconds. That means 340 into 2 by 10, 0, 0 gets cancelled. 34 into 3 is 68 meters. A person has a hearing range from 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. It is a hearing range. Almost all the persons will be having, every person will be having the hearing range from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Now, what are the wavelengths of sound waves in air corresponding to these frequencies? So, what is the frequency of waves? Okay. So, they are asking here what is the wavelength of the frequency. So, here we have to find out two frequencies. One is for the 20 Hz as well as 20 kilo wavelength of 20 Hz as well as 20 kilohertz. The speed is given as 340 meters per second. So here we have to take here frequency as n is equals to 20 Hz and n2 is equals to 20,000 20 kilohertz. So this is n1, this is q1, and velocity is same for both. What is the velocity here? 340 meters per second. V is equals to 340 meters per second. And we have a formula. N is equals to V by lambda. So we have to find out. We had formula V is equals to N lambda. Lambda is equals to V by N. As V is same, we have to change the lambda. So lambda 1 is equals to V by N1. Lambda 2 is equals to V by N2. So V is how much here? 340. And N is 20. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2. 70. So lambda 1 is equals to 70 meters. That means wavelength is 17 meters when the frequency is 20 Hz. Now for this. Lambda 2 is equals to V wavelength velocity is 340 and it is 20 into 10 to the power of 3. Okay, 0, 0 gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2. 17. So lambda 2 is equals to 17 by 10 to the power of 3. So we will get as 17 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. Okay. So this is what we will be getting. Next. A boat at anchor is rocked by forces to crest. That means the waves are touching the rock between two waves. Two crests touch the wave at 100 meters apart. That means the wavelength is 100 meters. And the wave velocity of the moving crest is V is equals to 20 meters per second. This is the wave velocity we have given. What is the frequency of the rock of the boat? So here we have to find out N. Okay. So here we have the formula V is equals to N lambda, as we need N is equals to V by lambda. What is V here? 20 by lambda is 100 gets cancelled, and m is equals to 0, 0 gets cancelled. You will get 0.5 seconds. So frequency is 0.5 hertz. Sorry, 0.2 hertz. Next, to hear echo, the minimum distance of the reflecting surface should be. So to get the resound, what is the difference between the obstacle and the person? So here we can do it by v is equals to 2d by velocity is equals to distance by time. So time it can be taken as 1 by 10 seconds. To hear the echo, time is t is equals to 1 by 10th part of the second. So here 2d is equals to v into t. So we know the velocity in air is 330 meters per second. So here 2d is equals to 330 meters per second into time is 1 by 10 seconds gets cancelled, 0, 0 gets cancelled. So 2d is equals to 33. Distance is equals to 33 by 50. So distance you will get 70 meters. 70 meters should be the minimum distance to get the echo. Next. Next one. This is also based on echo. The dog barks in a park and hear its echo after 0.5 seconds. That means time is equal to 0.5 seconds. And if the sound of its bark gets reflected by a nearby building, find the distance between the dog and the building. So again here also we have to find out distance. So we have to find out distance, and they have given velocity as 346 meters per second. Same as the before sum, we have to simplify it. 346 meters per second. So here v is equal to 2d by t. 2d is equal to v into t. So distance is equal to v into t by 2. V is how much? 346 into 0.5 by 2. So here we get the answer as 86.5 meters. Next, a sonar device on a submarine. So here in the submarine there is signals, no? So here the signals are received after an echo of 5 seconds. So here, so time is 5 seconds, and if the distance of an object from the submarine is 3625 meters, they have given here distance. Okay. That is 3625 meters. So what we have to find out? We have to find out speed. Again use the same speed. V is equals to 2d by t. 2 into 3625 meters by time is 5 seconds. So you will get the answer as 1450 meters per second. Next one. A person fires a gun in front of a building. Okay, he is firing a gun in front of a building which is 167 meters. That means distance is 167 meters. The sound of the speed of the sound is 334 meters per second. That means speed is 334 meters per second. What we have to find out here? We have to find out how much time echo is absorbed. We have to find out. So here we have number v is equals to 2d by t, right? So 2d by v, then we can write it as t is equals to 2d by v. Now 2 into 334. So distance is 167. 2 into 167 by B is 334. So you will get it as 334 by 334. So you will get 1. So the answer will be 1 second. After 1 second you will get the equal. Next, 19. A boat at anchor is rocked by waves. Okay, this is already discussed with 0.5. So 19th one is same as 12th, 14th one. Question is repeated. Next we will go for the 20th one. A longitudinal wave is produced on a toy slinky. The wave travels at a speed of 30 centimeters per second. So here they have given speed of wave is 30 centimeters per second, not meters per second. Okay, and frequency is 20 hertz. What is the minimum separation distance between two? So they are asking here to find out lambda. So here we can write it as lambda is equal to B by N. B is 30 by 20 centimeters per second by 1 by second answer. So lambda is equal to 1.5 centimeters. So these are the sums of sound. So remaining sums which are in the building sheet we can go through same as the above sums which we have discussed. Thank you.